Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a great topic for anyone planning their future, and that's what is a 401k retirement plan. So, if you're looking to understand how to save for retirement and manage your 401k finances effectively, you're in the right place. A 401k retirement plan is a powerful tool for building your retirement life. It's a type of retirement savings account offered by many employers in the United States, allowing employees to save and invest a portion of their paycheck before taxes are taken out. This not only helps you save more, but also lowers your taxable income. So, how does a 401k work? Essentially, you decide how much of your paycheck you want to contribute, and that amount is automatically deducted and placed into your 401k account. Many employers also offer matching contributions, which is like more money to boost your savings. The money you contribute to your 401k grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on it until you withdraw it in retirement. This allows your savings to grow over time, potentially growing significantly by the time you retire. There are two main types of 401k plans, traditional and Roth. With a traditional 401k, contributions are made with pre-tax dollars and you pay taxes on withdrawals in retirement. With a Roth 401k, contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals are tax-free. Now, let's talk about the importance of managing and budgeting your finances to achieve a comfortable retirement. Effective budgeting is pivotal. By tracking your income and expenses, you can ensure you're saving enough for your future while covering your current needs. Start by creating a detailed budget. List all your sources of income and categorize your expenses. Allocate a portion of your income specifically for retirement savings and stick to it. This disciplined approach can make a huge difference in the long run. Using financial tools like budgeting software can help you stay organized and on track. These apps allow you to monitor your spending, set financial goals, and adjust your budget as needed. They're also a great way to ensure you're maximizing the benefits of your retirement savings. Also, regularly review and adjust your budget. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Make it a habit to reassess your budget and savings goals to ensure they align with your current situation. Stay informed about your plan and any changes in the financial landscape. Being proactive and knowledgeable about your accounts can help you make better decisions. By understanding what a 401k is and implementing effective budgeting strategies, you can build a secure and comfortable retirement. It's all about making smart financial choices and staying committed to your plan. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances and preparing for retirement. See you in the next video.